Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm at the first app, and the name of this one is Hoodies. So on this app right here, guys, you're going to simply share your internet and you're going to get paid. So it's basically passive income, guys. You really don't have to do anything. Just share your internet and you start making money. So all you got to do is just download this and you'll be able to use it on your computer. And as you can see, they have been reviewed on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a website where people go and give their opinions on other websites they have used. So it's been 9,000 reviews here, and as you can see, it's almost 5 stars. Now it's an easy way to earn passive income. So all you're going to be doing, guys, is sharing your internet connection, and you're going to get paid that way. So you're going to earn without compromising security. So Hoodies ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. You're going to know exactly what your internet is used for. So once you start using Hoodies, your devices act like view towers and help world famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions. Now, your estimated earnings. So your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Hoodies network. So you can make as much as $55 a month. I know that's not much, guys, but it's passive income. You're not doing anything at all. Now, let's look at the 5 steps right quick. So you're going to set it up. Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android devices. You're going to run Hoodies. So you're going to use your internet connection to gather bits of information. You're going to help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics and price comparison. And then, finally, guys, you're going to get paid. And you'll be able to get paid through PayPal or crypto. So if you have a PayPal account, you can get paid through that. Or if you want to get paid through crypto, all you need to do is just have a cryptocurrency account. Alright, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. This is a good app, guys. You can make some passive income without doing anything at all. So I suggest you check it out. Alright, now let me go to the next app. Okay, guys, I'm at the next app. So all you're going to be doing, guys, is discover fun at your fingertips. So you're going to be looking at videos, guys. You're going to make money looking at videos on social media. So watch videos, earn rewards, capitalize your time with claps, real rewards made simple to earn. As you can see, here's some of the videos you're probably going to be watching, you know, some crazy dogs or something like that. And check this out, guys. They have a raffle on here, so you can also win a raffle. So it says hottest original content, showcase your favorite videos to the world. Claps works with a large group of professional content creators to foster a content-driven ecosystem. So guys, this is a very, very simple way to make money with this app. All you're going to be doing is just be on social media, watching some videos, and you're going to get paid. So go to claps.com, download the app, or you can just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the final app. Okay, guys, I'm at the final app. Name of this app is Userfield. So when you come to this website, just click right here where it says get paid to test. So become a tester and earn $3 to $30 per test. So each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Reading the following instructions and watch the training video to understand what our customers are looking for a form of tester. So all you're going to do, guys, is going to be testing websites and give your opinion. So what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites, apps, and prototypes. This job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store or going through the checkout process. So that's real easy, guys. So you're just going to be checking out the website, checking out the apps, and just going through the process. It doesn't take that long and it's very simple. Now, how you get paid and how much? As we said earlier, it's going to be $3 and it's just for 5 minutes. $10 for 20 minutes, $20 for 40 minutes, $30 for 60 minutes. So if you do a test for a whole hour, you're going to get $30. And you need a PayPal account also on this website to get paid. So that's all I'm going to say about this website and this app. You can download it in the Google Play Store or the App Store. So, or you can just come here and sign up at this website here. So go to userfield.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this everywhere. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hope you got some value out of this video. Now go check out these other videos to learn how to make even more money watching videos. Peace and have a prosperous day.